consists of 24 aksharas. Tyagaraja might have composed 24,000 kirtanas, but unfortunately we are able to find out only 700 kirtanas. Only 700 kirtanas are available. Namacharya has composed 32,000 sankirtanams. But unfortunately we are able to preserve only 7,000. Out of 7,000, Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam has composed, asked the composers to compose his sankirtanams. Till now, 2,300. I have composed 130 kirtanas, sankirtanams of Thalapaka Annamaya to PP. Tyagaraja used to teach 2 students at a time, duet singing, learning as a duet. That is why his kirtanas became popular through only brothers, Mayalapuram brothers, Valajipeta Venkateramana brothers, Tillai Sthanam brothers. They have propagated his kirtanas. He used to call, actually he has taught to nearly 120 dual singers. జత ఇద్దరు శిష్యులు చొప్పున చెప్పారు. అటువంటి వాళ్ళు 120. ఫర్ ఈచ్ డ్యూయట్ ఇద్దరికి 200 కీర్తనలు చెప్పుని చెప్పారు. అంటే హీ మైట్ హ్యావ్ కంప్లీటెడ్ 24,000. He asked Valajipeta Venkateramana Bhagavata to write letters to all of his sishyas to come and see him with what compositions they have learned. They came to Tyagaraja, started singing his compositions because he doesn't know how many kirtanas he has written. After calculating everything, they came to a conclusion that Tyagaraja might have composed more than 24,000. Valajipeta Venkateramana Bhagavatar's son was Krishna Swami. He was the only person to propagate Tyagaraja's songs. Some Mudalayar, a British officer in Chennai, after listening to Tyagaraja kirtanas from the Vidwans, he asked Krishna Swami to prepare notations for his kirtanas, for Tyagaraja kirtanas. So the notations were prepared in a Western style, staff notation. Through this staff notation, Tyagaraja kirtanas became popular, and we are fortunate enough to listen to those kirtanas even today. Though the kirtanas are old, we are able to listen to those kirtanas because every musician will have his own manodharmam. You can listen to Samajvaragamana today from me, tomorrow from Siddha Raghunathan, or day after tomorrow from Sanjay Subramanian, or afterwards Ranjani Gayatri. ఎప్పుడు విన్నా కొత్తగానే ఉంటాయి. ఎందుకు కొత్తగా ఉంటాయంటే దే ఆర్ డివైన్ కంపోజర్స్. దే ఆర్ కాల్డ్ సంగీత ఋషీస్. వీఆర్ ఫార్చునేట్ టు హ్యావ్ సంగీత ఋషీస్ 3. One is Dr. Sripada Pinakapati garu, another is Oleti Venkateshwarlu garu, and third one is Nedumuri Krishnamurti garu. Pinakapati garu is the Moola Virat, and Nedumuri Krishnamurti garu, Oleti garu are Utsavamurtis. Sadashiva Brahmendra Kirtana I would like to sing. Very lucky today because we have a very good artist. In All India Radio, I used to have keyboards very frequently for the recordings. So I asked Krishna to arrange and as well as Sriram to arrange keyboard as well as violin, both. So that you can have a variety of sound to your ears. It is the sound and it is the swaram which makes you to enjoy. Look at his playing of harmonium. He doesn't know what I am. He doesn't know how I sing. He doesn't know what I sing. So everything is arranged in the last minute. The moment he listens to the ragam, he is able to follow me. That is the greatness. This particular Saraswata Parmendra composition was recorded nearly in the year 1958, sung by Balamalla Krishna for Vijayawada Bhaktiranjani. You might have heard the name Bhaktiranjani from Vijayawada. Those who lived in Vijayawada, they pretty well know the name of Bhaktiranjani from All India Radio. Just listen to his Ahir Bhairavi. Ahir Bhairavi in Hindustani Sampradayam. Chakravakam in our Sampradayam. Pibare Ramarasu, Pibare Ramarasu, Rasade, Pibare Ramarasu, Pibare Ramarasu, Rasade, Pibare Ramarasu. वर्गं दूरीकृतं पातकसंसर्गं पूरितनानाविधपरमार्गं भज रे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं जनन मरण जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं सकल शास्त्र निगमागमसारं जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं सकल शास्त्र निगमागमसारं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं परिपालितं सरसि जगद्भाण्डं परिपालित सरसि जगद्भाण्डं परम पवित्रीकृत पाषण्डं परम पवित्रीकृत पाषण्डं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं शुद्ध परमहंसं आश्रमगीतं शुद्ध परमहंसं आश्रमगीतं शुद्ध परमहंसं आश्रमगीतं सुखशौनक कौशिकमुखपीतं शुद्ध परमहंसं आश्रमगीतं सुखशौनक कौशिकमुखपीतं भज रे पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे